Hi, I'm Shirletta Best, Community Services Administrator for the City's Housing and Community Development Department, and I manage our Community Development Block Grant, known as CDBG. It is a grant which we have an opportunity for our citizens to invest in community development with housing rehab programs, public service programs, and also economic development. It is the city's quality of care investment in our citizens today. One of the great things about the CDBG grant is that we have our program that is citywide. It is eligible for those who are predominantly low to mod income persons, but many people don't realize that most people in our city may be eligible to qualify. We have home repair grants. We have an opportunity for people to assist their homes with emergency repairs as well as small or even major repairs. And winter is coming, so this would be a great time for people to know about that. We want to certainly let everyone know that as we move into this season of change, that this is a great time to contact our office to find out if you're eligible to apply for a home repair grant. For those nonprofit organizations, February 28th is the date that they want to know about, because this is the time that we're having our grant application process. One of the great things about our department is that we can help people with winter tips. You want to make sure that you're winterizing your home. Faucet dripping is very important. Winter temperatures freeze, of course, at 32 degrees. So we want to make certain that you're dripping your faucets and paying attention to the weather. You want to make certain that you go to a local store and wrap those pipes on the outside. So you want to protect those. Certainly, of course, you want to keep your pets in and protect them as well. And if you're not sure about those tips, you can always call our office at 972-547-7572 and reach out to our housing rehab department, and they can provide you with information or even possibly give you an inspection to help you with those services as well.